You want to check your clamps, your pins. You best to start doing your maintenance before the busy season. Hi everybody, this is Nick with Concord Concrete Pumps. On today's video, I want to talk about the pre-inspection for the start of the season. The inspection includes the whole pump and the truck. So before you go to the job, before the season really starts going hard, you want to have a good working pump. And that means you have to check everything on your pump, starting from your fluids on the truck, hydraulic oil, gear oils, and making sure all your filter is up to date, making sure that the boom cylinders and outrigger cylinders are in good shape, not leaking, not scored. You want to check your boom pipe. You want to do inspection on the boom. In BC, we do also a mechanical inspection that only includes BC, but you want to check your clamps, your pins, your gaskets, all that good stuff, your hoses, your hydraulic lines, everything has to be in good condition. You don't want to go on a job site and have a huge hydraulic leak or have a pipe blow up or have a gasket leak concrete on everybody. So you best to start doing your maintenance before the busy season. You better start doing your maintenance before the busy season. So go over your truck, check your batteries, check your electrical, check the hopper wear parts, check the grease, make sure everything's taking grease, of course, and make sure your pump is in good shape. Turn on that pump in slow. Make sure it pumps in reverse, in forward, make sure the boom moves, all the sections work, and everything on that pump is in good condition. Walk around your pump, you check your tires, check your brakes, and, make sure that there's nothing that will cause you to lose your job. So do your inspections, do your proper maintenance in not a busy season, and when the season starts and it gets busy, you'll be able to go without any issues. And make sure all the bolts, the keeper bolts and the boom for the pins are all there and tight, secured. You don't want to have a pin fall out on a job site. Like I was talking about the boom inspection, you want to check your boom and outriggers and all the structural parts for cracks. You don't want to have a boom failure on a job site. Check your remote functions, your outrigger functions. Make sure the remote batteries are good and in decent condition. Make sure all your emergency stops are working and all the horn switches are there and working for the mixer drivers and for you. Make sure you have a horn on the boom and on the truck so that everybody can hear you. Check your piston cups, your delivery cylinders, make sure you have good and clean water in the water box every time you use it. And check inside the hopper for the wear on the pedals and on your wear parts, like your cutting ring, wear plate, and your two seal housings. Make sure they also get a lot of grease so they don't seize up. On today's video, that's it, and see you in the next one.